Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So as you all know, SSDs are always better than hard disk drive. But again, just because they are better, you can't always choose SSDs. There must be a situation wherein you can't afford them. So there was some time when SSDs were new to market, and a lot of you must have bought a PC or a laptop which had an SSD. But again, the storage space of that SSD was quite low. So you must have gotten a PC which has like 128 GB of storage along with a secondary drive, which is a hard disk drive, and that would consist of 1 terabytes. And primarily, I think you chose a laptop or a PC which has an SSD, as it would boot up fast, since SSDs are faster, have a faster read and write cycle. So your Windows or your Ubuntu will boot a lot much faster. But now, after using it for a couple years and installing all your softwares and doing all your daily tasks, you must have arrived to a position or situation wherein your C drive is almost full, like there is not much space left in your C drive. And so now you're thinking how you will continue using your device, because you cannot install any new software, because by default, as you all know, most of the softwares try to install themselves on the C drive. So today I will help you all with this issue. So, now I'll be telling you a best method to get out of this problem, and that would solve your storage space issue forever. Like your PC will be able to support a lot more software after this technique. So yeah, let's say you have a software. For example, let me check. Yeah, so I have a Steam application over here, and if I try to install this, um, yeah, so let's press next, and language is English. Next. So yeah, here you can see it is asking you for a destination folder where this program would be installed. So currently I have set it up as D, so it's already D, but for you this might be showing as C by default. So what you can do is create a program files folder within your D drive, and then change this to D, and then hit install. So now it would go and install in your D drive, which is your hard disk drive. Yeah, but again, this might save you for a while, but there could be some programs that do not allow you to change the destination folder or the installation folder. So as a permanent solution, or as a best fix solution for your issue, would be to create like you have this program files, right? So most of the programs will try to, if it is a 32-bit program, it would try to, like, let me just open my C drive to better explain. Yeah, so here, so we have here two folders. One is program files and other one is program files x86. So if you're installing a software, and that if that software is 32-bit, then it would try to install itself in this folder. And if the software is 64-bit, it would try to install it in program files. So the other solution that I'm talking about is to create a symbolic link. Like you will create another folder which has the same name as this thing, and you would create it in your D drive, and then you will create a symbolic link here which would point to that folder. So I'll try to show you one example how to do this. So I will go to program data, and here I have a bunch of softwares that I installed, and their respective folders are over here. So I have this folder for Jupyter, for the Jupyter notebook and all. And let's check how much space this folder is taking up. Yeah, so you can see it's taking up around 1.5 gigabytes of storage. So it would be very beneficial for me if I could move this folder to my D drive, and the application is still able to run normally. So I'll just show you how to do that. So now currently it's in this path, C drive, and then program data is a folder, and within that we have this Jupyter folder. So what our idea or what we want to achieve is we want to create a similar folder in D drive and then program data, and inside that we want to create a Jupyter folder, and then we will create in this C drive we will create a symbolic link that would point to our copy folder or the folder where the software is storing, and it will be in D drive. So I'll just show you real quick how to do that. So yeah, see, as you all are seeing that my C drive is just 118 GB, and I'm left with 21 gigabytes. But again, it was actually just 1 gigabyte of storage that was left, and it was almost full. And I used this technique to save some of my storage on my primary drive, that is C drive, and move the softwares, some of the software folders to the D drive. So if I open my D drive, I have program data folder right here over here. And if I open this, so let me create, since we want to move this Jupyter folder to here, what we'll do is we'll just copy this, Control C, and then or we'll just cut it or move it. So for that we'll like to cut it and go over here. Yeah, over here where we are in the D drive now, and just paste it, Control V. So now it's been copied, and here we do not have that folder, which in C drive we do not have that folder anymore, but we have it in the D drive at the same path. So now what we'll do is we will open command prompt, just search for command. So here we have the command prompt, and now what process we are going to do is we'll like to create a symbolic link to our Jupyter folder. So for that we would require administrative rights. So before running this, let's right click, and we have this run as administrator. So let's click that, and yeah, so now we have our command prompt which is running in administrator mode. So the utility that we'll use to create the symbolic link is called mklink. So it goes like this, and if you don't know how to use this, you can just type help, and you would get how to use this. So since we are trying to create a symbolic link for a directory, so we'll have to use this /d option. So yeah, let's type mklink /D, and then yeah, so we'll be using double quotes because we do not want to get into an error due to the file path containing white spaces. So just to be safe, we'll be using double quotes. So here comes the double quote, and then we'll just try to copy a path from this C drive. Let's say just right click over here, and then you can hit copy as path, and yeah, so here we'll just paste it, Control V, and now we want to change this. We'd like to remove the extra quote that has come, and let's rename this to Jupyter, Jupyter. Let's just copy path of this file as well. This file is, as you all must remember, it is in my D drive. So let's copy the path, and let's go back to the command prompt. So let's put space over here, Control V. So this is my target file, and let me write Jupyter right over here, Jupyter, and complete or close the double quotes. So this is how the command would look like. mklink, which is the utility that would use to create the symbolic link, and then /d followed by the name of the symbolic link, and then we have the target file folder which the symbolic link would point to. So yeah, let's just quickly see if there is any typo. Yeah, I don't see any. Yeah, so let's hit enter. Okay, so now yeah, symbolic link is created. We can see this output over here. So see the folder or path program drive slash Jupyter in the C drive is pointing towards the D drives, program data and Jupyter. So here you can see it over here inside the C drive. We have this Jupyter, and then we have this small uh, short link or shortcut symbol over here. So yeah, symbolic link is just another term. Like we call it symbolic link in the context of Linux, and in the context of Windows, the symbolic link is called as a shortcut. So basically, we have created a shortcut folder named Jupyter, and if we open it, we will be going to open the content that is actually there on D drive. So here you can see we inside this Jupyter folder we have this nbconvert folder. Let's just go and check it in D drive, Jupyter folder. Yep, we have the same folder over here. And if you are still doubtful, I will try to create a document, a new file over here in this D drive, and you'll be able to see the same file when we go to our C drive. So let's just click new and text document, and so let's call it my text. Yep. And now if we go to the C drive, see we have our my text in this C drive as well. So this is how the symbolic link or shortcut works. And this way, now we are able to save, uh, let's see how much space we are able to save. So we were able to save quite some space. And yeah, like 1.5 GB, which was taken up by the Jupyter folder, has been moved from a C drive to the D drive. So this way, guys, you can fix your problem, and this is a very powerful technique, and it will solve most of your issues that are related to the storage space for a C drive. So yeah, let's conclude the video for today. Thank you, everyone. Hope this helps. And if you have any doubts or any questions, please make sure to put them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them all. Yeah, see you guys then. Bye bye.